Yeah, hi.
हाँ, मैंने एज अ होस्ट ज्वाइन किया है।
Good afternoon, dear students. Thank you so much for joining in. We are waiting for few more students to join and then we can start with the session. Meanwhile, I just want to ask Vishaka, ma'am, do we have access to open the video? Because it is saying that the host has disabled the video thing.
Just doing that, Anusha.
Yeah, please confirm that. Students, we are going to start in next few seconds. Okay, in next few minutes, actually, we are waiting for other students also to join because we don't want any one of you to miss on any important information with respect to today's orientation session, because this is going to be the foundation session for all of you for this internship program. Okay, I hope you all can understand. Let's just wait for a few more minutes and then we'll start with it. Meanwhile, feel free to write your doubts, queries, anything that you have in your mind in the chat section. We'll be providing you with all the support and answer. I can see there are a lot of students who have written something over the chat box. Yeah, so this meeting is only for batch one for FED. Then sir, video is not visible. Okay, so actually I'm not on my video. You can listen to me. You can see my screen share. Is this class was conducted every day? No. Basically, this is an orientation session which we have organized for different technologies on different days. And then you will have the subsequent classes after the orientation sessions get over, okay, from the next week. My device is in mute, sir. Yes, because we have kept the settings in such a way that you people can ask your doubts and queries using the chat box, students, because we don't want anyone to miss out on any information because of any type of disturbance. Okay. After class, any attendance, ma'am? Yes. After class, you have to mark your attendance and we will provide you with the attendance form link. Okay. In your respective WhatsApp groups. So don't worry about that.
Anusha, you can share your video now.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Vishaka, ma'am. So yeah. I hope now my screen is visible, my voice is audible, and I am also visible, right? Chat is not disabled. I can see there are students who are sending the messages. So yeah, okay. So we have around 1,200 students who have joined the session. Let me see if there are any other queries so I can just help you out with it quickly. Session timings will remain from 3:30 to 5:30 students. We have kept the timing thinking that you all will be able to join, right? First, we have registered, we not got mail. After once, again, we have registered. After some time, we got 2 mail, batch 1, batch 2. No problem. The most important thing is that you've received the link to join the session, right? There can be human errors. There can be error in sending the mail or messages. But the most important thing that is that we want all of you to be there in the session and to be a part of the program. So if you have joined batch 1, then there's no need of joining batch 2 if you have received the message for both, okay? Vishaka ma'am, can you just confirm whether the chat section is disabled for the students?
Sure, I'll just check that.
Because I am not getting any option to.
Wait. It's enabled now, Anusha.
It's enabled now? Okay. Okay. Satish, if you are in today's session, that means you have received all the information with respect to the FED one. Don't worry about it. You cannot do 2 internship at a same time. If you are interested towards FED, please continue with this session. If you are planning to go ahead with cybersecurity, please go ahead with the information that you have received for cybersecurity. I think majorly everyone has the same concern with respect to the groups and the orientation thing. Okay, so now I think we can start with the session. We have somewhere around 1,300 students who have joined. So, good afternoon, dear students. My name is Anusha Tyagi. I am from EduNet Foundation. I would like to welcome you all into IBM Skills Build Virtual Internship Program. This is an internship. Basically, this is a technical internship on Industry 4.0 technology topic. And we are starting with the week 1 with the orientation session. Okay. Don't get confused with the date, 5th June to 9th June. We have organized the orientation session according to the technology wise. And you people are basically here for the orientation on front end development. Okay. I hope this might have cleared most of the doubts that you people were asking in the Q&A section and the chat box, right? Now let us all start. We are going to start with knowing each other a little more. Okay. So if I talk about the organization, EduNet Foundation, basically EduNet Foundation is a registered trust. Okay. It's an NGO. We people are working basically to provide support and to work for the skills and development of the students, right? All of you can see over my screen the goal and the focus and the national footprint of the organization is all around students, right? We are all into the educational sector, helping students to upgrade their skills, knowledge, and you all can see the audience reach is 1 lakh, just a minute, 1,50,000, and there are more than 3 lakh plus higher education learners that are being associated with the program, right? And we have around 250 active institute partnership who have access to 10,000 plus students and courses. So this was about the organization. And now if we talk about the main program, if we talk about the main route, that is skills built for job seekers, I would like to tell you about it. Students, the most important thing which I want you people to note, that is this is a free digital platform. Free digital platform means that you get an opportunity to do your learning, to take your your learning things to a next level, that too without paying anything. Okay, so it is a free digital platform which provide you with an opportunity to develop your technical and your professional skills. Okay, apart from these things, there are three additional benefits that you get when you are associated with skills built for job seekers. So number one is basically it helps with capturing your learning needs. Okay. Then it also help you with the hands-on learning experience. So the very basic example of hands-on learning experience are these internship programs, uh, you all are a part of which, and access to the employment. Okay. So we do provide support to the students in preparing them for the job interviews by providing them sessions on job readiness and other things so that they can feel more confident while appearing for the interviews and getting a good job and placement. You all can see over the screen, we have mentioned about the learners, how many students have been onboarded, how many number of courses have been completed. Students have already spent more than 9 lakhs of learning hours over the platform, and pathways to career. You can see students, the outreach or the reach of the program or the reach of the platform is to a lot of students, right? And we are so happy we have you all with us today, and you all are going to be a part of the program now. Okay, then what are the benefits of getting yourself associated to the program? Okay, so we do have social media handles, and you get a chance to get social media showcase. If you people are doing extremely good, then we do have the culture of sharing the stories and the good works of the student on the social media. Then lifetime access to the program, lifetime access to the platform called IBM Skills Build. Okay, then it also helps to basically get all the essential skills which are being required for the entry level jobs. Okay, then we also help students with the internship and project based learning, which you all are a part of. There are 10,000 plus courses where you can do your self learning and you can upgrade your skills. You can work on yourself, right? There will be interactive and multimedia things. Then we do have we have the educators, we have the content creators with us who are going to provide you with the live training sessions as well. We do have the features called faculty development programs, but that is for the faculties. Okay. For students, we have lot other things which we have already discussed. And if you undergo any program, if it is an internship program, if it is a normal program, you get industry recognized certificate and badges as well. We will see in the upcoming session, we will see in the upcoming slides, how can you gain your certificate or how can you get the badges and all. Okay. So please be there in the session till end, students, because we are going to learn a lot of new things. We are going to explore the platform a lot. So just to give you an update about the internship, this is a virtual internship which is being provided to all of you by IBM. Okay. So this internship is under the IBM Skillsville program. Just 1 minute. Yeah. And EduNet Foundation organization from where we are actually the implementing party. We're coordinating and managing all the internship activities on behalf of IBM. Okay, so this was a query from most of you. So this is, I think, going to clear the doubts. Now, the duration of the internship. So this project-based internship on IR 4.0 technology is for 5 weeks. Okay, but don't get confused with these weeks things. You have your 5 weeks where you're going to get a lot of exposure. You're going to get technical sessions. You're going to get project work, right? You have to complete the project work as well in the 5 weeks duration. We are going to provide you with one additional week as a sixth week for completing your project and submitting it to us. Okay, we'll review the projects. The mentors are going to review the projects, and all of these all these 6 weeks, 5 weeks of tenure will basically be a combination of your self-learning and your mentor lead sessions along with the project work. Okay, in the project work, students, you will get an opportunity to solve the real world challenges. Okay, right? All of you know that when we look around, there are a lot of problems. So you basically get a chance to work on those problems and create a solution or a project work out of it. Few more details about the internship: that EduNet Foundation team will provide the nodal officer with regular interaction and feedback with the students. Okay, then this internship and the certifications are free of cost, students. That means the organization will not provide you with any stipend, and at the same time, the organization will not even charge anything from you. Okay, then once again, there are no guarantee for anything. We can't provide you with a guarantee of 100% placement. Students, we are there to provide you with the support in your employability journey, but we cannot provide you with a guarantee. Okay, so coming on to the technology, all of you have already applied to the program. All of you are already aware about what all technologies we do have, right? So we have cybersecurity, we have data analytics, we have artificial intelligence, and then we have front-end development. So all of these technologies are something on which you are going to get mentor lead sessions, you're going to do the self-learning, and you're going to create the projects as well. Today we have a session for FED. Okay. Now, what are the requirements? Okay, just 1 minute. So, students, this is very important. Please pay attention to this slide. So these are the requirements from the student side. Okay. So we want the students to have access to their computer or laptop or their mobile phone with a decent internet connection. It would be good if you people use your laptops or your computer rather than using your mobile phone. Then students system should have Windows operating system. You should have updated browser. uh, Text editor should be there, like Sublime Text or Notepad++. Students should participate in the orientation session at the given slots. So you all were having queries with respect to the orientation session. So there are slots and there are timings that have already been provided to you. So please join the orientation session according to the timings that you have. Okay. Then you are going to have both, the requirement from student side is that we want you to undergo both the journey. So go with your self-paced thing also, and then attend the technical session also. There are going to be two mentally technical sessions in the upcoming weeks. We want you to participate in both the technical sessions, okay? Then we also want you to mark your attendance for all the sessions that you're joining in. So if you have joined today's session, please do mark your attendance. You're going to join the sessions in the upcoming week. Please do mark your attendance, because that is really important for us to identify how many students have joined the session and how many of you are seriously working hard to complete this internship successfully. Okay, then students, you all should have to pursue with your self-paced learning, for which you don't have to worry about. We'll tell you the process, we'll provide you with the list of courses, we'll provide you with the learning plan, and you have to just undergo that learning plan and complete the courses on IBM's Skillsville platform. We'll provide you with a timeline as well for that, okay? And students are expected to complete and submit their project presentation on or before the deadline. So you know the deadline, right? So deadline is 5+1 additional week. That is 6 weeks. Your 6th week is going to be the deadline for submitting your project or your project presentation, okay? If any one of you will fail to meet the above criteria, then you will not be eligible to receive the internship certificate. Student, this is an experience that we used to have from your from student side, that they miss out on either attending the session or completing their courses, or either completing the project work, and then they come back to us saying, ma'am, I have not received a certificate. So we are telling this to you beforehand, that we want you all to participate in all the technical sessions. We want all of you to mark your attendance, complete your courses, and work on your project. Okay, just a minute, slide. Yeah. So this is something where we are trying to just map out the activities for you. Okay, so we all are concerned about the week 1, which has been started from today, 5th of June. So you all need to see, we are going to have orientation session for this week. Next week, we are going to have technical sessions for your respective technologies. Then in the week 3, we are going to have second technical session again on the respective technologies. Week 4, we are going to start with the project discussion Q&A session, because definitely you're going to have a lot of queries and doubts. So we'll be going through those queries and doubts. Week 7, you continue with your learning, with your project work, right? Then again, we'll continue with the same thing. You're going to complete the courses, you're going to complete your project work, and you're going to submit the project work. Finally, you're going to submit the project work in the 6th week of the program, and you will receive your certificate. Okay. Now, this is something that will clear out your doubts with respect to which session you have to join, when you are supposed to be there in the orientation session or in the technical sessions. Okay. So let us start with week 1. Week 1 is basically an orientation week, which starts from 5th of June. Okay. Today is 5th of June, Monday. And the timings for the orientation session, or for any session that we are going to have with you in entire 6 weeks of time, is basically from 3:30 to 5:30 for students FED batch 1. Okay. Next week, which is week 2, you are going to have your first technical session. We will share with you the learning plan. We'll share with you the project videos and topics for your reference. Again, the timings for the same will be from Monday, 3:30 to 5:30, 12th June. Similarly, we are going to go ahead with the week 3, where you're going to undergo the second technical sessions, and we will also take up your Q&A. That means your queries, your doubts will be taking up. The trainers will be there to provide you with a solution, support, answer for all your doubts. Again, the timings will remain same, Monday 3:30 to 5:30 for FED batch 1. Week 4 will be your project discussion, your Q&A with respect to how to create a project, how to undergo the problem statement, right? So that all discussion, that all solution, we can all have it on the 4th week for you all, like that means for FED batch 1 on Monday from 3:30 to 5:30. And then finally, week 5, you can ask again your doubts and queries. Why we are giving you so much opportunities for asking your doubts and queries? Because we don't want to make our students feel over pressurized because of anything. It's just, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask it from the trainers or from anyone from the team. Okay, week 5th and week 6th are basically going to be the submission weeks. You can submit your project in this week. Okay, so this Monday has already been booked for FED batch 1 from 3:30 to 5:30 every week until the 5 weeks or the 6 weeks program will continue. Clear? I hope this is clear for all the FED batch 1 students. Then coming on to the next slide, these are few very important points. So the internship will be delivered to all of you over a period of 5 weeks. I've already told you this, right? This is a 5 weeks internship, but don't get confused because we are providing you with additional 6th week in order to complete and submit your project work, because we don't want students to miss out on completing and submitting their project work just because of the time. Okay. Then orientation session or the registration program will be conducted virtually along with your technical sessions. Okay. And all the sessions will be delivered to you over the Zoom account, over the Zoom platform. Learning materials and project related material will be shared with you over your respective groups in which you all are already a part of. Then students, you all have to work on your self-paced learning. That means you all have to work on your learning by doing the learning plans on IBM Skillsville platform and working on the project. Okay. You have to participate in the mentor lead sessions. You have to be a part of the project guided sessions as well. Already we have discussed these things, but these are few very important things. Therefore, we are repeating them for you. Okay. And this internship will be finally concluded with the submission of your project presentation and completion of the courses on IBM Skillsville platform. Two very major important factors. Okay. Now let us all start with the registration process. So far, we have discussed about what is EduNet Foundation, what IBM Skills Build program for job seeker is, what this internship program is all about, right? We have also discussed what are the requirements from student side. Now let us undergo the registration process, which is a really important step, okay? So I would request Vishaka ma'am to paste the link for the registration in the chat box and also in your respective group. So, ma'am, please go ahead.
Yes, doing that.
Yeah. Students, please use the same link, okay? You can find the link in the chat box, Zoom meeting chat box. You can find the link in the respective group also where you all are part of, okay? You know where you are, where you have already joined, which group you are in. Don't worry, I'll take all the queries and we'll try to answer all the queries to you all. Let me know, ma'am, when we have posted the self-registration link. Vishaka ma'am, have these students received the link for registration?
I'm doing it in the chat box right now, and I've
Yeah.
shared it on the group.
Okay. Students, you have already received the self-registration link in the WhatsApp group. My video is off for this process, and because I want to explain it to you little, in detail. Therefore, I'm going to just close my video. So don't worry about where the video is. Your network is perfectly fine. Ma'am is here only, okay? feel free. The self-registration link is there in the chat box. Now we are going to start with the registration process. Everybody has to click on the self-registration link. Everybody has to click
Anusha,
on
wait for a second. Wait for a
yeah,
second. Wait, give them 2 minutes.
yeah, no problem. You can find the self-registration link in the Zoom meeting chat box or in your respective WhatsApp group. All you have to do is click on that registration link. Click on that registration link, students.
Student, you have to sign up with the same Gmail ID you have given for the internship application.
Okay. So now let us start with the registration process. I hope all of you have received the self-registration link. So everyone click on the self-registration link. You will see a screen like this. Screenshot number 1. Sign up with Google. Please click on sign up with Google. It will provide you with all the email IDs logged in your device. Please use the one that you have used for submitting the application for the internship. As already explained by Vishaka ma'am, please use the email account which you have already shared with us during submitting your application. Okay. So for example, I've submitted this ID. So I've used Anushka Tyagi ID. Okay. Now coming on to the basic information you see on the first name and the family name, whatever name associated with your ID will already be mentioned over there. Okay. Clear? It is clear to all of you. Now let's go ahead with more information. You need to click on this V-shaped thing, which you can see at the very end. You will get the options. Please select country name India from here, all of you. Then again in the location part, click over the V-shaped thing. You will get all the state mentioned over there. Please select your respective states. Everyone, please select your respective states. And this is how it will look like. It has your first name, family name, your country name, and your location. I hope it is clear till here. The second step is to go to the additional information box. Okay, this one. You have to go to the additional information. It will be asking you few more additional information like your age. Again, click on this V-shaped thing. You will get the age bracket. Please go ahead with 18 to 25. Then are you looking for? So there are two options that you can select, looking for a job or a college student. Any one student, any one you can select. Either this or this. No problem. Both are similar. Select any one. And then you can all click on this yes. So if there are any upgradations or any program addition or anything taking place on the platform, you will get a notification. Click on this yes. This is how it will look like. Your age bracket, are you looking for a job? And yes. Click on this third condition, terms and condition option. There will be 3 terms and conditions. You have to select all the 3. Basically, these are your terms and conditions with respect to the age, with respect to the usage and the data privacy. Click on the submit button once you have clicked on, once you have selected all the three above boxes. You will get one screen where it is mentioned go to selection. Go to selection. So students, it is not in the screenshot, but you all will receive a notification where it is mentioned go to selection in blue color box. Please click on that go to selection blue color box and you all will be redirected to the welcome page. Everyone, please come till here. Raise your hands if you have done it, or if you have any query, please let me know. I'll help you out because registration process is very important. We want all of you to complete your registration now over this session itself, because then you have to take up the courses also. Coming on to the welcome page, you all can see as a preferred language, English is already mentioned. You simply have to click on the continue button. Simply click on the continue button and then it will take you to the skills build page. Welcome to skills build. Over here, you need to select your choice, your interest area. Okay. So for example, this is a topic, okay, job readiness. In this, in this topic, you have to select subtopics of your choice, right? You all can see job readiness is my, job readiness is a topic. In this, I have preferences like creating a digital brand, interviewing, resume writing, okay, working from home. So these are the preferences. So I've selected these topics. Similarly, you have to scroll down and see for other topics as well. Okay. If anything is there that you are not clear about, let me know in the chat section. I am waiting for all of you to, you know, come to this page. Okay. So for students who are getting error, like the account already exists. So the possible reason for this is that when you all were clicking over the submit button here now, you might have clicked on it twice or thrice. Okay, because when you clicked on it for the first time, you might have not seen any progress or any loading going on. So don't worry, clean the browser and again click on the self-registration link. It will take you to the page where you have been, you have left. So for all the students who are getting error, this is for you, that please clear the browser history. Again, go to the self-registration link, click on that link and it will take you to the same page. Okay. Again, do the sign up with Google. Then again, you please select the same email ID which you have used to do the registration or which you have used to fill your application. Clear? I can see there are a lot of queries. I have already, I have account already. Okay, no problem. If you already have account, if you have already registered, this is good. Right, but still pay attention to these steps because we are going to tell you more additional steps into this, okay? Let me take it from the scratch. So all of you need to click on self-registration link. It will take you to the screen number 1, where it will ask you to sign up with Google. Every time when you come to the platform, you have to click on sign up with Google. Then it will give you the options of all the email IDs which are logged in your device. Which email ID you have to use, you already know. The one that you have used for the application thing. Okay. Then in the basic information, you all will see your first name and your family name is something which is already filled. Now you need to fill country name, you need to fill the location. Country, you know, location, you need to fill your state name. Clear? Then in the second option, the additional information step, all of you need to click over there and select your age category. So the age category is from 18 to 25, or if somebody has some other, then you can please go ahead with that as well. But ideally, 18 to 25 is the right age bracket. Then are you looking for a job or a college student? From these two options, students, you can select any one. Okay. It will not create any difference. You can select any one and click on this yes. This is how all the informations will look like. Now, step number 3 is terms and conditions. Please click on terms and conditions. It will ask you to confirm your age, concern, your terms of use, and your data privacy. Click on all these 3 tick box and submit. When you're clicking on submit button, please do it only once and wait. Okay. If you will do it again and again, there are high chances that you will get the error. And that's what happened with most of you, because I can see in the chat box, you all have mentioned that you have received error. So the reason for the error is this only. Okay. When you will click on the submit button once, the very next thing it will show you is go to selection in a blue color box. All of you have to click on that go to selection in blue color box. Clear? It will take you to the welcome page. Everyone has to come to the welcome page. Already mentioned name was wrong. No problem. If you're going to open this on the laptop version now, it will provide you with an option to edit your profile. Okay. Then in the welcome page, it is already English language. Click on continue. It will take you to welcome to skills build page. Students, in this, you will get lot of topics and subtopics into it. Based on your area of interest, what is your interest, what is your field of interest, please select the topics. Okay, for example, you can see I've already chosen for job readiness, interviewing, resume writing, working from home. So I thought these are my interest area. I've already chosen these things. Same thing goes for you as well. You also need to choose according to your interest area, because based on these things, okay, there are students asking me for the WhatsApp group link. Don't get confused. Okay, some of you are in the Telegram groups, okay, and some of you are in the WhatsApp group. Both the groups are same for us. We are going to share same information to all the students in whichever group they are. Whichever group you are a part of, you're going to receive the same information. It will not make any difference for you or for us. In whichever group you are. Okay, so please don't worry about WhatsApp link, don't worry about Telegram link, don't worry about these links. Okay, pay attention to the process. Registration is a very important process, students. Then click on this next button. So when you will do all your selection for this welcome to skills build page, you need to click on the next button. You all will reach to the profile section. Students, profile section is really important. I would like each one of you to take a screenshot of this. Take screenshot of your profile section, everyone. Even for the students who says that they have already registered, for you also, I would request, please take the screenshot, because this screenshot will be helpful to you when you're going to fill the attendance form. Everyone, I hope you all are there in the profile section. Please give thumbs up in the chat box. I want to see how many of you have reach to the profile section image. For students who are saying they're still getting an error, don't worry about it. This is maybe because of the network issues. Sometimes, we don't have good network. That is why it shows an error to us. Okay. So this website has heavy load. There are a lot of students who are trying to do the registration at the same time. There might be a lot of students who are doing the courses, working over their projects. So that is why, don't panic if it is showing you an error. Please understand the process and undergo it when you have good network, maybe in the evening time, sometime today or tomorrow. Okay. Everyone, in the profile section, you can see your full name, you can see your profile photo option, your email ID. This email ID is the one that you have used to do the registration on skills build. This is important, okay? This is important for all of you, because with the help of this email ID, you have to fill the attendance form. Then under which organization you are in, is it DGT or is it EduNet Foundation, Open Skills Build? So this is also you need to take care of. So everyone need to take the screenshot of this profile section and then click on done button. After doing this, it will take you to the tutorial page, okay? We are here to provide you with a tutorial, so you don't actually have to go through the videos or anything. Just pay attention to what we are saying and understand the process clearly, okay? So please cancel the tutorial and skip the tutorial. There's no need of spending extra time. Ma'am forgot to take the screenshot. No problem. If you forgot to take the screenshot, I'll tell you the other way of taking it, okay? So skip the tutorial, everyone. It will take you to the dashboard. So the moment you will click on the skip tutorial, the next screen that you all are going to see on your phone or on your respective desktop is the dashboard. So this is dashboard, or we can say this is home page. Okay, home page of IBM Skills Build for Job Seekers learning platform. You all can see this more option. Okay, this more option with 3 dots. Please click on this more option and it will give you a one full list where you can find profile at second point. So at point number 2, you will see profile is mentioned over there. This is for the students who said that they have forgot to take the screenshot of the profile section. For all of you, please click on this more option. You will get the second, the second thing as profile mentioned over there. Click on that profile and again, you will get the same screenshot. You will get the same information and you can take the screenshot. This is clear. I hope for all of you, if you have not taken the screenshot, you can do it now. Not showing anything before I do. Ma'am, I'm not getting the page. So most probably this is because of your network issue, because I can see there are a lot of students who have done the registration. By sending their thumbs up, they have given a confirmation to me. Ma'am, can you say again from profile? Okay. So
Anusha, Anusha, let's do a recap and let's go a bit quickly and Abdul can help us like going through
yeah,
repeating
okay.
after. Yeah.
We can do
Or
that.
Anusha, shall I explain the registration process from the beginning once again?
Yes, please.
Yes,
Abdul, if you
please,
can
That
do
is
please.
that.
better, I think so. Then after you can go with the courses and I go. All right.
Sure,
Yes,
sure,
yes.
sure, Abdul. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank
Uh,
you.
Yeah.
Students, I would like you all to concentrate now because we are repeating the registration process. Whoever has missed it can follow this. So please be conscious. Do not write too much in the chat box. Concentrate on the screen and then you can do it. Thank you. Abdul, over to you.
Yes. Good afternoon, students. Myself, Abdul Aziz. Na per Abdul Aziz Amma. I am from Andhra Pradesh only. I know Telugu. So if you are having any kind of queries or something, feel free to ask me in Telugu even if you are not able to type in English. Right. Telugulo meer adagachu, problem em ledhu. So before asking questions, please go through the process once again. Ee process lo malli okasari chuddam em jarugutundo. So here the link is there, right? So please share the link once again. Maybe those who miss the link, they can open the link. The registration link is there in the chart. Yes, the registration link is there in the chart. So please open the link. If you open the link in your mobile phone, మీ mobile phone లో మీరు ఆ లింక్ కనుక ఓపెన్ చేస్తే you will be reaching to the first screenshot on the PPT. Right, first screenshot మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది. Here you need to click on sign up with Google. Right, ఈ sign up with Google మీద మీరు క్లిక్ చేయండి. Then whatever the Google accounts, Gmail accounts are there in your mobile, అవన్నీ ఇక్కడ మీకు కనిపిస్తాయి. రైట్, గూగుల్ అకౌంట్స్, జీమెయిల్ అకౌంట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో అవన్నీ మీకు కనిపిస్తాయి. ఈ జీమెయిల్ అకౌంట్స్ లో మీ ప్రాపర్ గా అంటే ఎవ్రీ టైం the account that you are using, right? ప్రతిసారి మీరు యూజ్ చేసే అకౌంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఆ అకౌంట్ నే మీరు చూసుకోండి, right? Click on any one of the account, then you will be reaching to the third screenshot, right? మీరు ఆ జీమెయిల్ అకౌంట్ చూజ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత you will be reaching to the third screenshot. ఈ థర్డ్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ లో ఆల్రెడీ ఫుల్ నేమ్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీ నేమ్ ఈ రెండు ఫిల్ అయిపోయి వస్తాయి, రైట్? ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు చేంజ్ దోస్, ఈ ఫ్యామిలీ నేమ్ ఫుల్ నేమ్ మీరు ఏమైనా ఫ్యామిలీ నేమ్ ఏమైనా మీరు చేంజ్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ఎస్ యూ కెన్ చేంజ్, నో ఇష్యూ, రైట్? సో ఎస్ అనుష, ప్లీజ్ గో టు నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ ఇఫ్ యూ స్క్రోల్ డౌన్, మీరు కొంచెం దాని కింద స్క్రోల్ చేశారనుకోండి, దెన్ యూ కెన్ సీ దీస్ థింగ్స్, రైట్? మీరు ఇక్కడ కంట్రీ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి, right? Country that you need to select, then you need to select the age bracket, what location, right? Next you need to select the location, that is Andhra Pradesh, right? Maybe ఎవరైనా తెలంగాణ నుంచి ఉంటే గనక you can select the Telangana also, right? And DGT is by default it will come. Then you need to click on the additional information. ఆ తర్వాత మీరు సెకండ్ దాంట్లోనే అడిషనల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఏదైతుందో దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. Here after clicking on that, you need to select your age bracket, right? ఇక్కడ ఏజ్ బ్రాకెట్ ఉంది చూసారా, select your age category అని ఉంది. దాని మీద మీరు క్లిక్ చేస్తే you will be getting some brackets, 18 to 24, 24 to some 40, these kind of age brackets అన్ని వస్తాయి. So please go to next slide, Anusha. Yeah, so here you can see you can select this 18 to 25 age bracket, right? This is the age bracket that you will be falling in, right? Then ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన తర్వాత here you can take any one of this, looking for a job or a college student. ఈ రెండిట్లో మీరు ఏది చూస్ చేసుకున్నా సరే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, right? Here you have the 4 options. Among the 4 options you can choose. ఈ 4 options లో you can choose the first one or third one. ఈ ఫస్ట్ వన్ కానీ థర్డ్ వన్ కానీ ఏదో ఒకటి మీరు చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, there is no issue, right? Then you click on the check box, and then you will be reaching to this place. Click on these 3 check boxes and submit. I hope everyone is at this place. మీరు సబ్మిట్ కనుక చేసిన వెంటనే మీరు 2 to 3 times మీరు ఇది క్లిక్ చేశారనుకోండి, you will be getting an error, no issue, right? ఇప్పుడు మీరు సబ్మిట్ చేసిన వెంటనే యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్ ది గో టు సెలక్షన్ అని చెప్పేసి ఇంకో ట్యాబ్ వస్తుంది, మీకు గో టు సెలక్షన్ ట్యాబ్ వస్తుంది. యూ నీడ్ టు క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది గో టు సెలక్షన్ ట్యాబ్. ఈ ప్రాసెస్ లో గో టు సెలక్షన్ ట్యాబ్ మీరు క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టూడెంట్స్ మే గెట్ ది ఎర్రర్, రైట్? ఎందుకంటే ఆ గో టు సెలక్షన్ ట్యాబ్ 2 to 3 times మీరు క్లిక్ చేసి ఉండొచ్చు. Then what you need to do is, again you need to start from the starting, you need to come back to the starting step. Again మీరు registration link click చేసి, right? Then you sign up with the Google, select the account, ఏదైతే అకౌంట్ మీరు ప్రీవియస్ గా సెలెక్ట్ చేశారో అదే అకౌంట్ మళ్ళీ మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. Then you will be reaching to the next screenshot. Please go to the screenshot. Here you will be reaching to the language screenshot at that time, right? ఆ ఎర్రర్ అనేది పోతుంది మీకు. మీరు డైరెక్ట్ గా ఎక్కడ రీచ్ అవుతారమ్మా, లాంగ్వేజ్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ దగ్గర రీచ్ అవుతారు. యూ విల్ బి రీచింగ్ ఆన్ ది లాంగ్వేజ్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ దట్ విల్ బి సెలెక్టింగ్. దెన్ కంటిన్యూ. మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేస్తే యూ విల్ బి రీచింగ్ టు ది ప్రొఫైల్ పేజ్. ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రొఫైల్ పేజ్ లో యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది జాబ్, రైట్? రెడీ, మీరు వేటి పైన మీకు జాబ్స్ కావాలి అనుకుంటున్నారు, వేటి మీద ఆన్ విచ్ యూ వాంట్ టు బిల్డ్ యువర్ కెరియర్, రైట్? యూ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ యువర్ డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ యువర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్, రైట్? ఇవే సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలని అవసరం లేదు. యూ కెన్ గో త్రూ ఆల్ ద లిస్ట్. ఒకసారి లిస్ట్ మొత్తం చూడండి, మీకు ఏవైతే ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉందో వాటి మీద మీరు క్లిక్ చేయండి. దెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది నెక్స్ట్. ప్లీజ్ గో టు నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్. Here then you will be reaching to the, after selecting all the courses, రైట్? మీరు కావాల్సిన కోర్సెస్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత మీ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ మీరు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత యూ విల్ బి రీచింగ్ టు ది ప్రొఫైల్ పేజ్, రైట్? దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రొఫైల్ పేజ్ దట్ యూ విల్ బి రీచింగ్. హియర్ ది ప్రొఫైల్ పేజ్ మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి. బిఫోర్ టేకింగ్ ది స్క్రీన్ షాట్, ప్లీజ్ లుక్ ఎట్ యువర్ నేమ్, ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి, లొకేషన్, and organization, right? మీ పేరు నాకు తెలిసి సేమ్ మీరు ఆల్రెడీ చూసుకునే ఉంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ ద సేమ్ నేమ్ దట్ యూ విల్ బి గెటింగ్. అండ్ ద ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి స్క్రీన్ షాట్ కన్ఫర్మ్ గా తీసుకోండి. ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ టేక్ ది స్క్రీన్ షాట్, రైట్? ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే మోర్ దాన్ వన్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి మన దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. బట్ వి ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ డేస్ వి మే ఫర్గాట్ బై యూజింగ్ విచ్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి ఐ రిజిస్టర్డ్ ఫర్ దిస్ కోర్స్. ఏ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడితో నేను ఈ కోర్స్ కి రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యాను అనేది నేను మర్చిపోయి ఉంటాను. సో బై లుకింగ్ ఎట్ ది స్క్రీన్ షాట్ ఐ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్, ఎస్, విత్ దిస్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి ఐ రిజిస్టర్డ్ ఫర్ దిస్ కోర్స్. సో మీరు అటెండెన్స్ కనుక ఇవ్వాలి అంటే యూ నీడ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ దిస్ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి. ఈ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి కాకుండా మీరు ఎటువంటి తర్వాత ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి కాకుండా వేరే ఈమెయిల్ ఐడి ఏమి ఇచ్చినా సరే యువర్ అటెండెన్స్ విల్ నాట్ బి కౌంటెడ్. ఐ హోప్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్ టు ఆల్, రైట్? ఈ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడితోనే మీరు అటెండెన్స్ అనేది ఇవ్వాలి. ఈ ఈమెయిల్ ఐడితోనే మీరు కోర్స్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి, రైట్? సో ఈ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, మీరు దగ్గర పెట్టుకోండి. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ యూ నీడ్ టు క్లిక్ ఆన్ ది డన్. దెన్ యూ విల్ బి రీచింగ్ టు దిస్ ప్లేస్ ట్యుటోరియల్. మీరు ట్యుటోరియల్ కోసం ఏం మళ్ళీ మీరు స్టార్ట్ ట్యుటోరియల్ అదంతా చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు. హియర్ యూ కెన్ క్యాన్సిల్ ఇట్. దట్స్ ఇట్ నా అనుష టిల్ నౌ. I hope
Yes,
everything
Abdul
is,
sir. This is all clear till here.
I hope everything is clear to all students. I hope so. అందరూ ఈ
Yes,
పాయింట్
even I
దగ్గర ఉన్నారు
believe.
అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను.
Right,
Anusha, have a
right.
look at the chat box very quickly, please.
Yeah, I'm going through the chat box only. So yeah, there are so many yes sir, and there are thumbs up as well. So we can go ahead now, I guess. This is a dashboard.
There was a student who was asking that how to edit the organization. Please do not edit the organization, and also you cannot do that.
They
So,
can't do that. They won't get any option to. They
yeah,
if you
yeah.
really
So
want
do
to
not
edit
edit
something,
anything.
then that is just your name that you can edit students. Otherwise, you can't edit anything. Okay, I guess all of you can see the dashboard now. And if you all can see the dashboard, that clearly state that your registration process is successfully completed, students. So congratulations if you all have completed the registration, if you have reached the dashboard. Okay, now we are going to start with the second thing. The second main thing is how to take up the courses on IBM Skillsville platform. There are students, I believe we still have students who are facing some issue with the registration, maybe because of your network issues. So don't feel disheartened. Just understand the process and keep the registration link and all the other links safe with you, and try to do the registration maybe in the evening or tomorrow morning. If you have any problem, we are there in the respective groups. Please feel free to reach out to us in those groups. We will be providing you with the support. Okay. Now just pay attention to all the information that we are sharing here. Clear? So if you want to go for any course, for example, you don't have any course link with you. So the very simple process is that in the dashboard section, you will see a search bar. Click on it and please write the name of any course that you want to take up. For example, data science, front-end development. For example, you can go ahead with your resume writing, maybe with your interviewing skills. So you just have to write the keywords and it will provide you with a list of courses available with respect to that keyword. Okay. And you can just click on any link on any course that you want to take up. This is a very simple process of how to take any course of your choice, right? Now, we have already created the plan for you. Okay, we have already stated that for all of you students, we have created a learning plan. We're going to share that with you in the chat box. Vishaka ma'am, can you please share that in the chat box? So that is basically the learning plan for front-end development. Okay. So all of you need to undergo the learning plan. We are going to start it now only. Even I am going to show you the live demonstration for that. Okay, everyone, please pay attention to all the important links that are being shared in the chat box. Please keep them with you safe. Click on the link. Okay, you all can see. I hope my screen is visible now.
Yes, Anusha, your screen is visible.
Thank you for the confirmation, Chanbaswa. Okay, so all of you see when the moment I clicked on the learning plan, now it is asking me, hi, how would you like to log into IBM? So every time when you are going to take up any course or when you're going to log in or sign up to the IBM Skillsville platform, please make sure it is only with Google. Okay, so I'm going to click on login with Google. It will take some time, students. We need to have patience. This is all technology, right? Sometimes we need to deal with the technology, with these network things. Okay, so all of you can see my screen. The learning plan says EduNet front-end development, okay? So in total, it has 4 courses. So there are 3 courses that you need to complete for front-end development, and then there is 1 course that you need to complete for job readiness. Okay. First step that you all have to do is click on start tracking progress. Everyone, please click on start tracking progress. This is first step.
Anusha, once.
Yeah, please.
Please show the
Try
presentation
resharing
mode.
screen.
Presentation. Actually, this is
Presentation.
the web page.
Presentation mode. PPT presentation mode is there now. Full size.
It is not showing in the full size. Okay,
Yeah.
let me reshare my screen then.
Yes.
Is it fine now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So students, the moment you're going to click on the learning plan that has been shared by Vishaka ma'am in the chat box, you all will get a screen like this, EduNet front-end development. Okay, first you will get an option to log in with Google. Please do that. And then it will redirect you to the plan. Okay. In this plan, there are 2 sections. Section number 1 is front-end development, where you will find 3 courses. Section 2 is a job readiness, where you will find 1 course. In order to complete this learning plan, you have to complete both the section. That means you have to complete 4 courses. Okay. Number one thing, the first thing that you have to do is to click on start tracking progress. So I've already clicked, therefore you can see stop. Okay. But if you're going to click on if you're going to do it for the first time, it will show you start tracking progress. Please click on start tracking progress only for the first one time. Okay. No need to click again and again, just one time, one click is enough. So coming on to the front end development, these are the courses that you all can see. Okay. So CSS, then a web development, then CSS introduction, then your future in web development, introduction to JavaScript and React. So what we are going to do is you have to complete all these courses. Okay. There is no escape. You have to complete all these courses, which you can see over here. But to make you people understand how to take up these courses, let us do one course. Okay. So I'm going to take the very small one. Okay. Because I want you to understand the process. Therefore, I will only take the small one. Clicking on your future in web development. Everyone, please scroll down. You will find different courses. Over there, you need to click on your future in web development. Everyone has to do it along with me. Your future in a web development, the job landscape. So this is the course page. If you are using your cell phone, it will basically give you go to this activity and action tab here at the bottom. If you're using your desktop, it will show you the way it is showing for me. Okay. So what you have to do is you all have to click on go to this activity. Please, everyone, click on go to this activity and wait. Okay, because it will take time to load. what you have to do is you have to click on a course name, your future in web development. It will take you to that course page, and over there you need to click on a blue color box where it is mentioned go to this activity. The moment you will click on go to this activity, it will actually take you to that study material page. Okay, it is taking some time. Even my network is not so good, I guess. So please have some patience, students. Abdul sir, if you don't mind, can you just share your screen? I guess it will take more time for me to show them this particular thing.
Yeah, let me do that from my end.
Yeah, I'm stopped sharing. If you want, I can just share with you this learning plan link, or it is
Yeah,
there in the chat box.
that is what I'm saying. Yeah, let me copy it. And paste it. Actually, yeah, no, it is not learning plan.
Wait, sir, I'm going to share with you. Just give me 1 minute. Students, you can see this is a live example. Even this platform do create disturbance for us as well. So don't worry about it. If you are, struggling with registration thing, do it when you have good network. It is
Actually,
all,
many students accessing at a time, right? This
yeah,
kind of problem may get.
yes, sir. Sir, I've shared it in the personal chat box. Please click over the link.
Abdul, I have shared it again. Just check it out.
I hope the screen is visible to you, all right?
Yes, sir, your screen is visible.
Right.
So students, you can see for sir also it is showing start tracking progress. First step is that all of you need to click on start tracking progress. Come a little down, scroll down, and you will get the courses linked to the plan. Okay. We are going to take up the very small one, which is your future in web development. Sir, please go for your future in web development. Yeah. Now you can see the name is the course name is provided to you. Then there is little bit of information with respect to it, and you all now need to click on a blue color box where it is mentioned go to this activity. Yes, if you're using your cell phone, go to this activity will be there at the bottom. Okay, so yeah, scroll down, sir. Everyone click on agree. Yes, students for asking, everyone click on agree. Content is loading. Please wait, everyone. Yeah. Click on start course. So this is how the course journey will start, students. So this is how you all need to take up the courses, right? So the course will take around 1 hour. We can't we can't do this all together now. Just to explain you the process, I have checked in. Sir, can you please click on this blue color box? I have checked it out. Yeah. So students, all of you need to go through the course. All of you need to understand and take up the course and earn the credential and your certificate from here. Okay. I have checked it out, sir. Yes, I've checked it out as well. Then about the module here, the study thing will start. Yes, I've checked it out. Students, we are doing this just to explain you the process. Please, you need to go through it completely. You need to go through it completely, right? Yes, sir, I have checked it out. So can you just scroll down towards how many modules are there in this?
Module 5.
There are it is up to 5 modules. So
Yes.
let's just not waste students' time. They anyhow have to go through all the 5 modules later also. So
Yeah.
let's come back to the page. Sir, can you please come to the same skills build one? Skills build, sir. The one which the previous tab to this page. Previous
Yes.
one where you can see the skills build written.
Wait.
Skills build. The
Actually,
previous tab, sir.
yeah. I will.
Come to the previous tab, sir. Students, even all
Yes.
of you come to the previous tab. Yes, this one. Now, if sir would have completed all the modules, right, he would have got an opportunity to download his certificate. How he would be able to do it? Sir, can you please just cross this, tell us how we are doing this thing? No, where this is asking for some rating thing.
Yeah.
Just cross it. Yeah, this one. Okay, everyone. You all can see at the down, just after go to this activity, there is an action tab. So if you will undergo all the 5 modules, you will click on this action tab. You will get one additional option just top of this add rating. The option will be view completion certificate. Why sir is not getting the option? The reason is simple that sir has not completed the course because there are 5 modules. We want you students to undergo all the 5 modules and then earn your certificate. So therefore, we are explaining you the process of how to download your certificate. Click on, just click on this action tab and then you will get an option of view completion certificate. Okay. And when you will click on that option, it will be providing you with your certificate. Clear? Now for students who are using their cell phone and who are planning to continue with their courses using the cell phone, for them, you can see in front of the share button. So there is a share button at the top. In front of the share button, there will be 3 dots. Okay. You have to click on those 3 dots and it will again give you the similar options to what you can see after clicking on this action tab. This is clear. The 2 ways of getting your certificate. If you're using your desktop, please click on the action tab. Over there, you will get an option of view completion. If you're using your cell phone and you're planning to use a cell phone only, please click on this, please in front of the share button, there will be 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and you will get the option of view completion certificate and you can view your certificate. This is clear. This is the process of how to get your certificate. Now, sir, I can share my screen. So this is basically how the learning plan looks like. Then if you're using your cell phone, this is a course name. These are few details of the course. You need to click on go to this activity. You might undergo that activity page. You need to then come to the previous page. It might ask you for the yes mark complete. But because we were undergoing a full-fledged big course where you are having the opportunity to earn the credential, therefore, it was not asking you for an option to just mark the course as complete. Okay. Then it will ask you for the duration. In the duration, students, please don't try to change it, because the duration are according to the time that will take for you to complete a particular course. So if a course says it will take 1 hour, then in the duration, it will be 1 hour. If the course says 10 minutes, then in the duration, it will be 10 minutes. You don't have to change anything. Simply click on the submit button and you will get a notification as completed. When you all will see this notification of completed, it is then you all can get the option of view completion certificate, which I was telling you previously. Okay. If you're using your cell phone, this is the share button. Let me tell you, this is a share button. In front of these are 3 dots. You need to click on these 3 dots. And when you will click now, you will get these options. And from this, you have to select view completion certificate. This is clear. When you will select or when you will click on the view completion certificate, you will get your certificate here. You can share the certificate. You can take a print of it. You can share it in your respective WhatsApp group or Telegram. Okay. Because I don't want you people to get confused because of these group thing. You can share your certificate with us. We would be so glad to see the progress that you people are going to make. Do the courses, right? And share the certificates with us. I hope the process is clear. Now let us all go to the chat section. We'll see whatever doubts you have. Okay, I'm so sorry. Just how to log in after class. Ma'am, tell me one more process. Students, can you just, wait for me to reply to the queries one by one? Otherwise, I will miss out on these queries. See, we have recorded the session. Okay, we'll provide you with the recording. I just need to get it confirmed from the team. Right, the session has been recorded. So we might have the recording with us. We can provide it to you. You can undergo the recording. You can also complete your registration process if by any chance it is not done. Okay, then how to mark the course as complete? It is a long duration course. There are 5 modules into it. You need to complete each module, and then only it will provide you with the option to mark the course as complete and claim your certificate. How to mark our attendance. So in order to mark your attendance, we will provide you with the attendance form in your respective groups. Okay, don't get confused for groups. In your respective groups, I'm saying wherever you are in, you will get the attendance form in those groups and you just need to mark your attendance. Ma'am, how do I mark a module is completed? So when you will undergo the module now, you go to the content, you go through the videos and everything which is there in that module. And then you will get an option of I have checked it out in the blue color box. You click on it and it will be marking that particular module or section as completed for you. I'm getting view certificate option. I am not getting view certificate option. The reason being is because it is a very big course. Therefore, you need to first complete it and then only it will show you the option to get your certificate. Provide link again, don't worry, we will provide you with all the links that we have shared throughout the orientation session. Okay, self-registration link, your attendance link, and your learning plan link. All the 3 links we will provide you in the group. Don't worry. Ma'am, your future investor is asking to sign up. Okay, if it is asking for sign up, you can do it. If it might also ask you for agree or disagree. So you can all agree it. Okay. All of these are the verified websites and verified content. You don't have to worry about any wrong practice. Okay. No matter what time will these links will be provided. We will provide you these links once the session get over, maybe by 6 o'clock. So don't worry about the links. You will get all the links with you. One more time, can you explain what you want me to explain, the entire registration process, or it's just some important portion? See, when it comes to the explanation thing, I would request you, if you're sharing the recording, please go through the recordings. And if there is any doubt at any point of time, share the screenshots with us. We will take up those queries. Ma'am, how to agree? There is a blue color box where agree is mentioned. You just click on that. You will agree to the courses terms and conditions. Ma'am, I've selected DA in Google form, but I've added to FED. So how to know in which course I am? So you might have selected multiple courses. So students, see, when you were filling the form, there might be the chances that you have selected multiple courses at a time. And, you might thought, let us go for AI. Then you might have thought, let us go for DA. That is the result that you end up getting into both or getting into any one. And now you're planning to switch. So this is something that you should not, do, because if you are having a mindset to do a course on FED, then please fill for FED. Now we will not allow you to do two internship at the same time. And you have received the information maybe for FED, then you have to go ahead with FED only. How to join the WhatsApp group? Please don't get into the trap of WhatsApp group or Telegram group. There are groups that have been created where we have already made you all a part of it. Okay, so now there's no need for you to get concerned about which group link you want, which group information will come. For us, both Telegram and WhatsApp groups are same. We will share the same information. Then there's no difference for you, whether you are in Telegram or you are in WhatsApp group. What to search in the search box? Ram, sorry. So Ram, in the search box, you can search any keyword on which you want to take up the course. For example, if you feel like taking a course on resume writing, please write it in the search box and you will get the courses on it. Okay. No need to join the WhatsApp group. There's no need for it. What is the process to download the course certificate? The process is simple. Once you have completed the course has been marked as completed and there is a green tick for you. Then you go to the action tab or you go to the three dots in front of the share button, click on it, and you will get the view completion option. You will be able to see the certificate. After searching, what to do? After searching, you select the course of your choice and do the course. Okay. Is there any difference to G1, G2? No, students, there is no difference in WhatsApp group, Telegram group, group 1, group 2. For us, all the groups are same. We will provide same information in all the groups. Okay? There's no point of getting worried about which group you are in, or whether you are in two groups for FED, or you are in single group, or you are in Telegram, because information will be same. Okay. How to open communicate with impact? Write the name communication with impact. It will show you the list of the courses with the name associated to it, and you can select. Ma'am, after the class, how to open the module? You will have the learning plan with you in place. Click on that learning plan and you can have an access to it. How to get the final internship certificate apart from these module completion certificate? I've already told you the process. In order to receive the internship certificate, you have to complete all the courses that we are going to share with you. You have to complete your project work. You have to attend your mentor lead session. Ma'am, even after students, just wait. Ma'am, will there be a PDF for the process? We can share with you the process video if you process PDF if you want. The one where you can understand how to do the registration and how to take up the course. How many days we have to complete the course? Very good question. I guess most valid question, which nobody asked. How much time we will get to complete the course? So students, don't worry. You have full 1 week, 2 week, and 3 week. So you can complete the courses till third week. Then you have to concentrate on your project work also. And once you start working on the project, now there will be no time left with you to work on these courses. So I would suggest you people to use these initial 2 to 3 weeks in completing the courses. I can't get same page what you displayed. No problem. You will get the same page, maybe the network issues and the interface can be different. You're using cell phone, I'm using desktop. This can be the one reason. Ma'am, I'm not getting any module page. Click on go to this activity, like agree. When I log in with Google, I'm getting dashboard only. Yeah, why you are getting only dashboard? Because you have not clicked on the learning plan link. So in order to get the courses, modules, or everything, it is important for you to click on the learning plan. And students, these learning plans are basically the customized learning plans that we have created specially for these internship program. You will not be able to search them in the search box. So please keep these links with you safe, okay? Then only you will be able to do the courses. I've already selected the courses and moved to one module. Click to go to this activity and display to login page. You complete it till module 5. You complete all the modules, you will get the option. Ma'am, please reply to my problem. I am so sorry. I'm getting so many problems. I might have missed on so many things. I'm under FED. There are 6 courses. How many you have to complete? You have to complete all the courses, students. How many courses? There are 6 courses for FED. There are 3 courses for job readiness. So in total, there will be 9 courses. You have to complete all the 9 courses. Okay. Recorded sessions will be provided in the group. We might upload the recording in some drive and we can provide it to you. But I need to check it from my team first. Yes, you have to complete all the courses, students, full courses. Okay. I think most of the queries we have answered. Once again, students, don't worry about any link. You will get the links in the respective groups. Now, after completing the module, there is a quiz. We have to write the quiz. Yes, you have to go through the quiz. Then only you will get the passing marks and then only you will get the certificate. And this is the only reason where, therefore, why I have asked all of you to spend some time on taking up the course, because these quizzes will require a lot of good knowledge. Then only you can qualify. Project will be on FED, don't worry. Of course, if you're doing internship on FED, then the project also will be on FED. Okay, there are a lot of queries, but repeat it again from front end.
Anusha, I'm
Students,
also trying to answer in the chat box
yeah,
as
I
fast
can
as I
see
can.
that. I can see that when the
Yeah.
quiz will conduct. So the quiz will conduct when you are actually going to complete all the 5 modules,
Anusha,
you will
can we
get the
go to
option.
timeline once and can explain it, because the most of the concerns are regarding that only, when. So we can just go to the timeline once and show it to them.
Yes, yes, we can. We can. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, so
Not
here
this,
we
yeah,
are.
this and the next page basically.
Okay,
Uh, the one where the whole process is shown.
this one.
This one.
Students, you see, we are at week 1, where we have started the this registration and orientation process with you. Week 2 is going to be the technical session, week where you will get mentor lead sessions. There will be first technical session with your mentors. Then week 3 will be second technical session with your mentors on your respective technologies. Week 4, you will all be doing the skills build courses. You can do it here also, here also, here also. You see, there are 9 courses. It will take time for you to complete those courses. So week 4 is basically you completing your skills build courses, you complete working on your project, and you are also asking your doubts and queries. Okay. Then week 7, again, you continue with your courses on IBM. Sorry, not week 7. All of these things will take under week 4 only. Okay. So you all need to complete your courses on IBM Skills Build platform. You can do it in week 3, you can do it in week 2, week 4 also. Then once you complete the courses, the next thing is that students course completion. This is part of this only, right? Then you need to complete your final project. Your final project submission and completion is there. If you do these things, you will be eligible to receive your certificate. The process, I hope, is clear that you need to attend the orientation session. You need to attend the technical session, both week 1 and week 2. You need to do your skills build courses, the learning plan that we have shared with you. Okay. Then you need to complete your project work, complete your courses. Then you need to complete, do the final project submission. Once you do this, you will get your certificate. Coming on to the timeline thing, students, we are at week 1. Okay. Week 1 is the orientation week. Today is Monday, 3:30 to 5:30. We have first orientation session with FED student, that is front end development batch 1, right? Then week 2, again on Monday from 3:30 to 5:30, we will have first technical sessions. You all need to join us for that first technical sessions, right? And that technical session will be taken care by your mentors. In that, we will also share with you the learning plan, the one which we have shared today also. We will share with you the project topics, okay, on which you are going to work your topics related to FED. So there were students who were asking in the chat section, ma'am, have you given the project to us? So the answer is no. You are still going to get the project, okay? Again, it will take place for FED front-end development batch 1 on Monday. So then subsequently, it will be for other topics. Batch 2, then for cybersecurity DA, it will go in this way. Week 3, which will start from 19 June, will be the second technical session where again, you're going to have a live training session under the mentors, okay? Under the experts who are going to take these technical sessions again from 3:30 to 5:30 Monday. You can do your courses here also. You can do the course here also. You can do the course here also. And even here also. No problem in that. Okay. Then week 4 will be basically your project discussion. Maybe if you are having any issue with your project topic, or if you are getting little bit of doubts, or if there are queries or concern with related to topic or with related to the problem, then you can ask those things in this session. It will take place on 26th of June. There will be your mentors, there will be the people from the team as well, and we will be there to provide you with the support. Again, for FED batch 1, it will be on Monday. Clear? You can block your calendar for Monday from 3:30 to 5:30 for these IBM skills build sessions for internship program. Then week 5 and week 6, which is an additional week provided to all of you from our side, is your submission week. You need to complete your project work and you need to come submit it to us. At this point of time, if you feel you have some doubts and queries, and we might help it to, we will be happy to help you. So you can ask those doubts and queries as well. Again, the timings would remain same, Monday 3:30 to 5:30. Then subsequently, these are for other technologies. But you don't have to bother about these. You just have to bother about this section where you can see FED batch 1, because you all are FED batch 1. Clear? Recording we will provide. Can we get placement, students? I've already told you there is no guarantee of anything. Okay, we are here to provide you with a support in your placement journey, where we are actually we can help you in making yourself employment ready or job ready, right? There are courses. If you might have noticed that in the FED section, there were two subsections. Okay. So one was job readiness. If you take up that course now, most of your skills will be upgraded and polished for the job interviews side things. I've completed the course, but certificate not received. Anjani, if you have completed the course, what is the score of the quiz? And if the quiz score is not what is expected, then you again have to go through the course, or you can retry giving the quiz. Okay. And to
Anusha,
claim a cert,
take a break. I'll just respond. Take
yeah,
a break. 2 seconds. They have been constantly speaking.
yeah.
Yeah. So students, there are 2-3 things you have to keep in mind. I would like to request you all to stop texting in the chat box now and just listen to what I am saying. Number one, this week you have had your orientation session, which was today, Monday, 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Your next session is scheduled next Monday, same timing, 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. and the following week as the timeline is being shown, right? So you have to follow it like this. This week, what you have to do, I know many of you could not complete your self-registration or the learning plan, couldn't understand and all. So make sure whoever has got registered, start your learning plan, start doing it this week. This will be easier for you because from next week onwards, you will have your technical session, you will get your project and everything, you'll get busy. So it's important to start your learning plan this time. Okay. Also, we will try to provide you with the session recording as well as all the links. Now you know the process, please self-register yourself. Okay. So just concentrate on these things this week. Next week, there will be technical session. In every session, you will be explained what is coming on, right? Don't worry about all these things. You will get instructions in each session, what you have to do. You will get your mentors, you will get your project, you will get your project topic, everything you will get from our side. So don't worry about everything. Each of the links will be shared with you. Each of the information will be shared with you. It's just that you have to concentrate, be active on your telegrams, whatsapps. Do not get information from your friends or anything. Just follow what we are posting on WhatsApp groups, sorry, or telegram groups, anywhere, wherever we are posting things, just concentrate on that. Go for the right information. Okay. So this week you don't have to do anything. We'll try to provide you with the recording. Follow that. Register yourself. We will provide the self-registration link also. Also, start your learning plan and all these things. We will meet you next Monday in your first technical session where you will find your mentor as well, and you will get other information about this internship. This everything you have to complete by the end of the internship. So starting from today, 5 weeks, you have to complete all the things which are allotted to you, like your project, your learning plan, your everything you have to do by then. So don't worry about anything else. Just follow the process. Whatever we are asking you, just follow that. And you will be able to go through, get through this internship really well. Okay. It's just a matter of focus. Okay. Thank you. And there have been queries like links are not opening. This is not guiding. I know many of you are doing it from your phone. Please try it with your laptops with a good internet connection. It will open. When these many people trying to do it at the same time in this hurry, it happens. It's normal. Okay.
I think if there are no other queries, then
Yeah,
we can
then we can just
conclude.
go. Yeah, we can conclude. So students, very important. Now you have to fill your attendance. Okay. You have to fill your attendance form. I will send the links. Please do not send this query again and again. I'll send all the links, registration link, learning plan, attendance link, everything with you all. For now, we'll go for the attendance part. I am sharing the attendance links in your respective groups. I'm repeating, I'm sharing the attendance links in your respective groups. Please start filling it. And once you fill it, give me a thumbs up here.
If there is any doubt or queries with respect to the registration, the attendance link, please do let us know. Okay. We have already asked you to take a screenshot of the profile section. So please refer to that profile section screenshot. It will help you, while filling the attendance form.
Anusha, allow me a few seconds to share the attendance link.
No problem, Vishaka. I'm just going through the chat section. We'll see if we can help them move. Students, please give 2 minutes time. We are going to share the attendance link in the chat box and into your respective groups as well.
No, Anusha, we will not be able to share it in the chat box as per the protocols.
Okay, yeah, sorry. My mistake, my bad. Yeah, so we'll share it in your respective groups. You can just refer it from there, okay? It will not be available for you in the chat box. Again, Sandeep, this is not a compulsion to complete the learning plan by Monday, but if you can do it by Monday, it is very good. There's no compulsion. You will receive Hema. Just give some 2-3 minutes time to Vishaka ma'am. She'll be sharing it with you all.
So students, attendance link has been shared in your respective groups. Please refer to your group and fill that attendance form.
Fill the attendance form and ask your doubts and queries in the chat section, everyone. Vishaka ma'am, can you please share it with me also so that I can refer to it and ask and help the students if they have any query?
Sure, Anusha.
Yeah.
I've already shared it with you, Anusha. Teams.
Okay. Yes, yes. So the first question is student's name. So please write your name. Second question is your IBM skills build email ID. So this you can do very easily with the help of the screenshot of the profile section. Please go to the screenshot over there in the email section where you can see email. You will find your own email ID. Okay. So the same ID you have to mention here. Same thing goes for the organization. So if you can see DGT, please select DGT in the question number 3rd and so on. Whatever you see under organization in that screenshot, same thing you need to select for the question number 3rd. Okay, if it is DGT, Edinet Foundation, Skills Build Open, Open Skills Build, or any other thing like Richa or CSR box. These two things are very important, students, very important. So when you're filling these two, please be conscious, okay? Then in the gender, please write your gender, your phone number. Then you also need to mention the date on which you have attended the session. So what is today? 5th of June. Write your course name, whatever course you're pursuing. Then you have to select your internship topic. So it is FED, front end development. How have you found?
Sorry, Anusha, just a second. Students, if you are in group 2 and attending this session, I think you have joined a bit early. Group 2 orientation will be tomorrow. So if you have not got the link, it means you have not been a part of this group, but you have taken the link from somewhere and have joined into this session. You have to join the session as per your schedule. So if you have not received the link, it was your orientation was not supposed to happen today. So wait for your orientation timings, because it is scheduled tomorrow, and then you will be getting the link.
Yes. Then the question comes where you need to give the rating for these virtual sessions, and was your virtual mentor or the teacher were engaging. So yeah, you can give the ranking to that as well. Then did you learn something new session? Yes, no, you can write. How did you find Skillsville platform? You can write a short paragraph about it. If you want to give us any feedback, please do mention it and then click on the submit button. So very simple, a Google form that you all need to fill in order to mark your attendance. If still there is any query, please let us know. So students were saying we didn't get any link in our group. So maybe you are from batch 2 and the orientation is only for batch 1 for today. Then please scroll little up and down. Maybe the link might be there only. Vishaka ma'am, can you share the link again in the batch 1 for these students? They are saying they are in batch 2, batch 1, but they can't see the link. Maybe
It's
because
there,
there are a lot of
Manisha.
links.
It's already
Yeah.
there. I am following that group up.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, there is only one class in a week. So this week was orientation thing. Next week there will be mental lead first session. Third week there will be mental lead second session.
Yes, first you have to complete the registration, then only mark your attendance. So whoever has not been able to mark their complete their registration today, they can complete it in some time and then mark their attendance. It will be better for you, because in any case, Skillsville requires your profile screenshot. So once you're registered, then only you can provide it.
Okay, students, once again, I'm going to explain you all how to fill the attendance form. Okay. So just pay attention to the instructions very properly. When you're going to click on the attendance form link, The first question is your student's name. Okay. Please do mention your name. Right. So my name is Anusha. I will write Anusha Tyagi over there. Then the second question is your IBM Skills Build email ID. In that, I've asked you during the registration process that please take the screenshot of the profile section. In the profile section screenshot, you will find under email your email ID. Okay, that email ID is basically the email ID which you have used to do the registration on IBM Skills Build. So same ID you just copy paste for this question number 2. Clear? For question number 3, where it is asking you under which organization you are in, and it has certain options to it like DGT, EduNet, Richa, then CSR Box, Open Skills Build. In that, students again go to the profile section. Over there, again go to the profile section. Over there, you will find under the organization, there is anything mentioned from these given below options, either DGT or EduNet Foundation, Open Skills Build, anyone, okay? So please select accordingly. What is there for you in the screenshot? Same thing you have to select in the attendance form. Clear? These 2 questions are important. Rest is something that you can fill on your own, but these 2 we want you to refer to the profile screenshot only. Gender, you please write your gender. Phone number, please write your phone number. Right, the phone number which we with which we can contact you easily. Then write the date for the session that you have attended. So if you have attended today's session, which is 5th of June, please do mention that date. Write your qualification, that means which course you are doing. If you are doing BCA, if you are doing MCA, BTech, MTech, any diploma course, so whatever course you are pursuing, please do write that. Then which topic this internship is on? It is on FED, front end development. Please do select it. Then give the ratings to the virtual session, to the virtual session mentor, provide the rating for them accordingly. Then did you learn something new? So you answer it maybe yes or no. Then how did you find the skills build platform? So do write about it in some 4 or 5 lines or in a paragraph. Then if you would like to give us any feedback, please feel free to give us the feedback. We can improve as per your feedback. Okay. If you're done with these things, you can simply click on this orange color button where submit is written and submit the form. This is the process. This is a very simple attendance form. You need to just fill the details and click on the submit button. Clear to everyone?
Anusha,
Yeah.
let's conclude.
Yeah, we can conclude the session now, I guess. We have also, reached to the timings. It's going to be 5:30. So yes, students, thank you
2 things,
so much.
Anusha,
Yes.
sorry. I just saw a query, that's why I'm saying this. Do not change your profile or anything. Just take your profile screenshot. You will get to know what your profile is. If it is DJT, it will be written DGT. If it is EduNet, it will be written EduNet. You need not change it. Just refer to your screenshot and write it in the form. Okay. Secondly, the group 2 students of FED who have accidentally or deliberately joined in this session, group 2 student orientation session is scheduled tomorrow from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Okay. You will get your attendance link then only. Please fill in that. Okay. So we cannot provide you attendance link today. It's okay. If you have submitted something and it's not right, it's fine. You cannot go back. It's okay. If you are in both of the Telegram groups, I don't know what should I say. How come you are there in both the Telegram groups. Which link did you receive on your WhatsApp? You have to just go into the link which you have received on the WhatsApp. You have received a group link to join. You have to be in that Telegram group only. Do not share Telegram groups between each other or WhatsApp groups between each other. We have shared the link to the same student who belongs there. Okay. No worries. Anyway, it's 5:25. Just concentrate on your registration process and everything. And yeah, whoever is from group 2, please join tomorrow 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. Whoever was in this group, please join next Monday from 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. so that you can proceed with your internship. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, students, for joining in.
We will share all the links and everything required. Don't worry. Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Okay, then thank you all. Bye bye.
Bye bye.